Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the channel dedicated to helping you build the home of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are exploring one of the most exciting shifts in modern architecture, eco-friendly container home design. But what does that actually mean? Simply put, it is the art of repurposing steel shipping containers, those massive industrial boxes that usually travel the world's oceans, and transforming them into high-performance, stylish living spaces. This isn't just about moving into a box, it's a design philosophy centered on upcycling. By using an existing structure that has completed its shipping life, we reduce the demand for new, carbon-heavy materials like cement and bricks. An eco-friendly design takes it a step further by integrating sustainable features like high-performance insulation, renewable energy, and water-saving systems, proving that we can live beautifully while treading lightly on the earth. Choosing an eco-friendly container home offers a range of incredible benefits that appeal to both the heart and the wallet. From an environmental standpoint, every 40-foot container reuse saves about 3,500 kilograms of steel from being scrapped or melted down, significantly lowering the embodied carbon of your home. These structures are also incredibly durable. They were literally built to survive salt spray and hurricanes, making them naturally resistant to fire, termites, and extreme weather. Financially, container homes can be built 30% faster and often at a fraction of the cost of traditional housing. Their modular nature means you can start small and add more containers as your family or budget grows. Ultimately, they promote a minimalist, intentional lifestyle that prioritizes efficiency and smart design over sheer square footage. To make the exterior of your eco-friendly container home look high-end rather than industrial, you need to focus on texture and contrast. The magic formula often involves pairing the cold, corrugated steel of the container with warm, organic materials. For instance, adding reclaimed wood cladding or bamboo screens can instantly soften the look and help the home blend into a natural landscape. Large, floor-to-ceiling glass windows or sliding doors are essential. They break up the solid metal walls and reflect the sky and trees, making the structure feel light and integrated. You can also use living decor, such as vertical gardens or climbing vines, to provide natural cooling and a lush, green aesthetic. Finally, a sophisticated paint job in matte earth tones, like sage green, slate gray, or terracotta, can transform a rusted box into a modern architectural statement. Container homes are incredibly versatile, fitting into several popular design styles depending on your personal taste. The industrial modern style is a classic choice, celebrating the raw steel look with matte black accents, exposed beams, and glass-heavy facades. If you prefer something more organic, the Scandinavian eco-chic style utilizes light-colored wood wraps, white interiors, and large windows to create a bright, airy sanctuary. For those heading into the wilderness, the rustic off-grid style incorporates stone foundations, wide porches, and solar panel wings that make the home look like a rugged outpost. We also see many geometric contemporary styles where containers are stacked and staggered at odd angles to create dramatic overhangs and balconies, proving that container architecture can be as daring and artistic as any custom-built mansion. Now, let's look at the top 10 best eco-friendly container home design ideas that perfectly illustrate these concepts, inspired by the incredible designs ideas. One, the industrial multi-level masterpiece. This design features a sophisticated two-story layout where dark, charcoal-painted containers are stacked to create a modern silhouette. Large sliding glass doors on the lower level open onto a sleek concrete patio, while the upper floor includes a private balcony with minimalist steel railings. It's the perfect blend of industrial grit and high-end luxury, ideal for urban or suburban settings. 2. The bamboo-wrapped hillside retreat. Perched gracefully on a slope, this home uses vertical bamboo screens to partially cover the dark blue container walls. This adds a beautiful natural texture and provides essential privacy while allowing the home to blend into the surrounding dry landscape. The elevated wooden deck serves as an outdoor lounge that maximizes the stunning valley views. 3. The green roof earth shelter. This is the ultimate in green architecture. This container home is partially built into the hillside and features a dramatic, sloping living roof covered in grass and local flora. The earth provides natural insulation, keeping the interior cool in summer and warm in winter, while the glass facade ensures the living area is flooded with natural light. 4. The elevated desert oasis. Designed for high heat environments, this light gray container home is raised on steel piers to allow for airflow underneath. It features a stunning wraparound wooden deck and a rooftop observation platform. The light-colored exterior reflects sunlight, while the shaded porches provide a cool, breezy space to enjoy the desert scenery. 5. The solar-powered triple module. This modular design consists of 3 separate container pods connected by a central wooden walkway. Each pod features its own solar panel array on the roof, making the entire estate self-sufficient. The dark siding is beautifully contrasted by warm cedar window frames, creating a cozy, high-tech forest hideaway. 6. The elevated rustic lookout. Using a vertical container as a central stair tower, this multi-story design is lifted high off the forest floor. The mix of rusted Corten steel finishes and reclaimed wood cladding gives it a modern treehouse vibe. It's an ingenious way to build on a small footprint while gaining incredible views and preserving the ground below. 7. The modern cantilevered L shape. This layout uses 2 40-foot containers placed in an L shape, creating a sheltered private courtyard in the center. The upper container hangs dramatically over the patio, providing a natural roof for an outdoor kitchen. The dark, monochromatic color scheme is modern and sharp, making the home a true architectural standout. 8. The Jungle Canopy Villa. Designed for tropical living, this white painted container stack rises 3 stories into the trees. Extensive wooden terraces and external staircases allow for true indoor-outdoor living. The white paint reflects heat, and the vertical orientation helps catch the higher breezes above the dense jungle undergrowth. 9. The minimalist deck extension. This design focuses on simplicity and outdoor flow. A single sleek black container is paired with a massive wooden deck that effectively doubles the usable living space. A simple steel pergola provides shade for an outdoor dining area, surrounded by low-maintenance rock gardens and native grasses. 10. The artistic Zen garden estate. This home combines the clean lines of container design with Japanese-inspired aesthetics. It features beautiful wood-paneled exterior walls and a vibrant koi fish mural painted on the side. Set within a tranquil Zen garden with gravel paths and boulders, it shows how industrial materials can be used to create a peaceful, meditative sanctuary. The shift toward eco-friendly container living is a powerful statement about how we can live more sustainably without giving up the comforts of a beautiful home. By choosing to build with recycled materials and focusing on energy efficiency, you aren't just building a house. You're building a future where design and nature exist in harmony. Whether you want a tiny off-grid cabin or a large family home, the container provides a strong, flexible, and green foundation for your dreams. If you enjoyed this tour of the world's best eco-friendly container homes, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more sustainable living inspiration. We want to hear from you. Which of these top 10 designs could you see yourself living in? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest trends in green architecture. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.